Alright, I'm going to put some clear on this. This spot here looks like pretty much like shit. So I'm going to have to redo that. What I'll do is I'll just spot that in later. I'll get the rest of this done. That way if I have any other issues, I can address those later. I'd rather fix that after the fact, because I can probably just tape off on the inside of this pinch weld in here. Should probably tack that a little bit. And then just burn it in and it'll be cool, no problem. You know, yeah, it kind of looks like shit, I'm not happy with it. So I will redo it. I'm gonna get some clear on it, get the blender on it, and we'll see how bad it looks then. Yeah. Yeah, that looks like shit. Alright, here's what we got going on. Let's see if you guys can see that shitty spot. Right there. You see that? Right there's a little one there, but if it was just that, I'd live with that, but I kind of made it worse. Now it actually looks like it's trying to lift a little bit there. So I'll be redoing that, but everything else looks fine. You know, I burned it in over here, and it looks fine. That really sucks. I didn't expect to have to do a redo on something so simple, but hey, that's how it goes, guys. Maybe I shouldn't have been such a smartass. Yeah, that looks like shit. Alright, but it is what it is. Would it be a problem to anyone but me? Probably not. Get a better angle on the dangle here. There you can kind of see it. It's not horrible, but I'm not going to leave it like that. Everything else looks fine. So, alright. It's fucking a lot of dust in here. A lot of overspray tonight. Still really hot out. But that shit'll dry. Should be good. Fucking run there too. Son of a bitch. Alright, well, we'll see how she turns out, what she looks like tomorrow night. I'm not going to worry about fixing that tomorrow night. I'll get the outside of the gate done first, so I can ship this thing. Maybe if I wish really, really hard that this will go away overnight, maybe it'll happen, right? Is that how that works? Yeah. You know what I was told once? Wish in one hand and shit in the other and see which one fills up first. So, on that note, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow night.